The National Commercial Bank NCB wealth advisor, who pleaded guilty today to stealing $74.5 million from the financial institution, says she intends to make restitution. This was revealed in court today. Raquel Porter has details.
Kadeen Thomas, who was employed at the NCB's St. Anne's Bay branch, pleaded guilty to 31 counts of uttering forged documents and 3 counts of larceny as a servant in the St. Anne Parish Court, but no evidence was offered on the charges of transfer of criminal property, access with intent to commit an offense, and forgery. During the hearing today, her attorney, Matthew Hyatt, requested 8 months for her to make restitution, but the judge gave her until June. Her bail was subsequently extended. Thomas is to be sentenced on June 12. The prosecution contends that Thomas transferred the sums from the accounts of 3 customers between May 21, 2019 and December 20, 2022. From the first complainant, she stole over $256,000 and $9.5 million between May 2019 and December 2022. In the second case, she stole over $600,000 between June 24, 2021 and December 15, 2022. Concerning the third complainant, Thomas stole $113,500 between January 13, 2020 and October 12, 2022. Thomas was arrested last January after the transfer of at least $5 million from a customer's account sparked an investigation. Raquel Porter, TVJ News.